Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Want to say thank you everyone for tuning in once again. This is Matt. I am back with another video. Today, I will be unboxing a one of one, folks. What Jay say? This watch right here is a one of one. None before it, none to come. Well, this shoe right here, folks, is a one of one. There should be none before it, none to come. Unless somebody steals this design real quick, which if you do, it's cool. Anyway, as you see behind me, folks, I have the MTV Aaliyah Bricklayers jersey. I mean, nothing too crazy, nothing too special, but I didn't, stay up there. I didn't have any shoes to go with it, so we hit Nike and we designed ourselves a pair, folks. This is the Nike by You, which if you can see it, it says, got the Nike by Matthew right there on the box. The paper has Nike by You all over the paper. Might not actually be able to see that, but you know, it's there. And the shoe we developed, ladies and gentlemen, was an Air Max, Nike Air Max, and it's basically the colors of the jersey. We have the mostly white with the red, blue check, the gold shoelaces. On the back, we have the black Nike check with the number 1 on the left shoe. And we have the number 9 on the right shoe. Again, nothing really crazy, just a simple shoe to go with the jersey. Black bottoms. So what I did was, oh yeah, I didn't even, the gold air bubble on the inside. Just basically made something to wear with the shoe, wear with the jersey. Try to copy the colors as best as I can. So anyone that knows how to work the Nike app, you know sometimes it is hard to find the actual colors that you're looking for. This one wasn't too hard. White shoe, red, blue, gold, you know, a little black bottom. Nothing too crazy to look for. Well, that's really about it, folks. About to wrap this up. You know, I really can't wait to bring this little combination out. Hopefully, Air Max Day 2021, the weather will be nice. I can throw this on. Hopefully, we are able to go outside and interact with each other. But again, folks, let me know down below. Have you guys used the Nike ID? Do you like the idea of it? What shoe would you like to see on there? Let me know in the comments, man. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment to the videos. Subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you guys later.